Hi friends, welcome to POFO Multipurpose WordPress Theme. In this video we will show you how to install and activate POFO theme via FTP and import demo data. We will also show you how to install and activate required and recommended plugins. Installing a theme through WordPress is easy and simple process, but if you are getting any internal server error while installing theme via WordPress, then you can install theme using FTP. You can use any FTP client like FileZilla. First, download theme file from theme forest and navigate to downloaded theme file. Extract downloaded zip file. Now extract POFO.zip file. You need to upload this POFO directory to WordPress theme directory, which is inside WP content directory. So connect to WordPress root folder using FTP and upload POFO directory to themes directory under WP content directory. Theme uploaded. Now log in into WordPress admin section and navigate to Appearance, Themes from Admin panel sidebar. You can see installed POFO theme here. Click on Activate button. After activation of POFO theme. After activation of POFO theme, you will be redirected to welcome screen where you can see notification message to activate your POFO WordPress theme license to unlock premium features and plugins. Click on Activate POFO WordPress theme license button. You will be redirected to Envato login page. Please log in with Envato or ThemeForest account in which you have purchased POFO theme. Let me log in with my account. You can see Envato Authorize pop up here. Click on Approve button to allow themes enter activate your license. Your theme license is activated successfully. Now you can start installing and activate required and recommended plugins. POFO theme required POFO add-ons, Revolution slider, Visual Composer plugins, and it is already included in theme files. POFO recommended Contact Form 7 and MailChimp for WordPress plugins. Now you can start installing plugins by simply click on Begin Installing Plugins button and select all plugins, select Install and Apply. All plugins are installed. Now go to Install Plugins, select all plugins and activate it. All plugins are installed and activated. Now you can check front end of website to check installed theme. Next step is import demo data. Go to Appearance and click on Demo Import. Click on Import All Demo Data button if you would like to import all demo data in one click. But if you are looking to import some specific pages, posts or other individual options, then use other options. Just click on Import All Demo Data button. Read message and click on OK button. Import demo data will take few seconds. You can see import data progress here. Demo data imported successfully. Now you can check front end of website. Just refresh the page. Wow, awesome, it looks amazing site. Now you can start updating content, images and create your awesome website. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.